Today's the day. Today's the day I move these bad boys out of here and into the location, baby. Perfect timing. My man's out here. About to move these cars for him. And then when we get started, hair look a little crazy. But yeah, gonna move these boys out the garage. And then we're gonna go ahead and yes sir. I'm excited. First location. Chasing these boys in. So yeah. So I'm gonna move the whip. And then I'll let him get in. Yada yada yada. But yeah, y'all. Apparently you gotta have money in the coin mech before the thing even accept bills. So what is it? My machine, I don't even know all the things for the pardon? Yeah, you could do that. So yeah, the moving guy's here. So I'm just gonna move this car out this driveway. But yeah, that's it. I don't even know the selections like that in my machine. And then also I need to get some coins to put in the coin mechanism so it can set bills. Ain't nobody paying in all coins. I mean, we might, but come on, it's 2020. So I'm just gonna record the guy loading the truck, the machines into the trailer, and then get back to you. So let's get it. One day I'm gonna have to buy something like this. I'm gonna get a lot of machines. I do them joints myself. So apparently, yeah, scraping against it. So he has to like come right down the middle. But yeah, let me make sure these things are locked so none slip out. Oh, this one's not locked. So I have to move this one. Got too many keys in my pocket. I can't even fully fill up the machine. Budget cuts, not really, but I don't want to spend that much money not knowing what they, really interested in. You feel me? So I'm gonna thought that out and see what they're interested in and stuff like that. See if I can lock this one. Okay, cool. Gotta go like this. Huh?
I guess I can't do that
Too low?
too much of a new phone.
I think if you hit it right in the middle, it's gonna.
Try it.
Alright.
Let me see.
Alright. This is hard to do. I don't know how y'all record and do this. I be seeing people open up perfect. And then I left this bill thing out here. As you see all the cans and stuff. Yeah. So I might have to turn on the machines and put coins in there. I might do it while I'm at the location. So this one I gotta put the thing back in here. These things way so hard to open. Alright. So I'm gonna holler back at y'all when I open this back up. So first vending machine out. Seats over there. About to remove the chocolates out here so they don't melt. And then probably the honey buns. And then put this one on, load this one on there, and then should be good. So cut this open. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. not too far from it. I mean, the place is like 30 minutes from my house. So I'm glad, you know, it's not that far. It could be closer, but you know, if they were to call me, I'll probably go out there. But it's out there, because I'm like near more, I'm located in Orlando, if y'all didn't know. So I'm more like West Orlando, and it's towards like more the south, close to International and stuff like that. If you're from Orlando, probably know what I'm talking about. If not, it's steep. So not that steep though, but steep enough to stop me from making money. Nah. But we about 23 minutes away. The moving guy, Steve, he already left. So I'm gonna see if I can try and catch up to him and stuff like that. Yada yada yada. But we're gonna see. But excited, but kind of like nervous because I moved the drink machine before, and bro, like if you trying to move a machine, pay someone, bro. Because if you don't have the right equipment, bro, and one of your homies could get injured, you know, I had a lot of boys, shout them out. They hooked me up, and we had to take it off like a box truck. So there's like at least a 3 feet drop. Man, we had to do a whole bunch of things. Lay it on his back, slide it out, then put it on the dolly, then bring it up the hill. Oh man, it was a hassle, a bit tedious. So I recommend y'all just drop $100 or something, bro. Have a professional move it. When the guy was moving it, bro, the shit was a breeze. You know, I ain't even had to do much, to be honest. You know, he had the right equipment. He just lifted up and pulled it out. So now we're gonna see if moving it into the location is gonna be an easy process as it was taking it out. We're gonna see. And also, what is it? A risk you take with buying the machines is what I'm finding out. If it's up to me, I would recommend you guys like find a location first, then find a machine, because sometimes the machines that you brought beforehand won't fit in the location, and now you looking stuck. You're like, dang, now I gotta go find another machine. You know, not the biggest problem, but it's like, hey, you know, when you get the location first, you can get the size, the dimensions, measure. You see if they have a pre-cut for it. You know what machines will fit in there. You know, so you go ahead and you find a machine that fits the criteria, and smooth sailing. But you go ahead, do all that work, pay the moving guy to move it there, and then you find out it don't fit. I'm praying to God that this don't happen to me, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna happen to me. It's probably just gonna be a little hassle moving it there. So yeah, just a little advice to y'all. So I'm on the road. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get over there. I'm about like 19 minutes away now, so I'll holler at y'all. Alright, so I'm here. Just gonna wait for my man Steve. I got here before him. So just gonna wait for my man Steve, I'll link up with him, and then we're gonna go inside and see if we get this vending machine in there. Alright guys, so got to the location. It's a little call center here. Steve, as you can see here, he's measuring to see if the machines would fit inside. Probably should have done this beforehand, so that's my advice to y'all. Make sure y'all measure everything beforehand. I actually got this location by listing ads on the OfferUp and Facebook Market, and they hit me up. So I had my machines, so I was like, you know, I'm trying to get them out of my garage, so let's go. And I didn't even take time to visit the location beforehand. So this is actually my first time seeing the location as well. So my dog Steve doing all the good work here, about to go get the machines and stuff. I'm finna talk to these boys over here. So this is from here to like here.
You have no room?
Yeah, it's way too big.
Yeah.
So this is a call center?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like for like travel agency kind of thing? Okay.
Vacations.
Okay. So you just have like a whole bunch of employees just sitting all day and making money.
Right.
What time they come?
11 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't worry about it though. If y'all are still here, and it's not a problem.
Okay. Alright. So yeah, as I was telling you, you gotta go to the location before and get the measurement out and set something up. No crap, since there's a lot of businesses here, I wouldn't mind putting it outside, like in the back here, and then everyone just knows it's here and they just go ahead and get from it. Maybe. Who knows? But we're gonna see how that works out and stuff. So I'll keep y'all posted. My man Steve is doing the measurements right now. You can see both machines loaded. So see how that works out. You think it'll be able to fit?
Yeah, I think this one will have to snake it through.
How long you been moving?
What was it?
How long you been moving machines for?
A while. Yeah, I've been doing in this business 17 years.
Sheesh.
So, alright. Guess we'll go through that back door. I want to take that piece out, but I'll take the fillet snack machine over first. I gotta bring a screwdriver.
Alright.
Soda machine, probably have to bring it in sideways, up and down. But I was gonna loop around, but I didn't realize that call was on the
So this is a call center. Apparently they do like, I think someone's manager probably didn't get the sale, but they call all day. So gonna need some. I'm gonna put some Red Bull in the drink machine or cap. So you just gotta look at your demographic. Probably might stay and see the demographic of people. We'll see. I'm gonna get them. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's not how it works. Yeah, you can take that out. Yeah, we'll get the demographic of people. A lot of people like spicy stuff, so you get some hot Cheetos or something, depends, so. Keep y'all posted. Alright, bet. So Steve is prepping, as you see him take the measurements. He had me open up the door because he's about to take out that whole mechanism with the bell receptor and the whatever that is. He about to take that off. It pays to have an expert to do this because Steve actually knows vending machines as well. And as you see in the next clip, I'm gonna ask him a whole bunch of questions about credit card readers and that stuff. As you see, my machines don't have that. So he's about to take that off.
it actually has the upgraded control board.
So I can put a card thing on there? Where do you go to buy yours?
Credit card reader?
Yeah.
There's a company called USA Technologies. I set up an account, I have an account with them. I call them up and they just mail me.
Really?
Yeah.
So like, what's the monthly fee for that account?
I think it's like $14.95 per month, but there's a thing called Pay Range.
Pay range?
That there's no monthly fee. You only get charged when you use it. It's like this little piece that goes on. That goes on here. And they download an app to their phone.
Yeah.
And they put the money on their phone. And they come up to the machine, they use it.
Yeah.
It's only good for like people in house. They don't have outside people coming in, but it looks like everybody's going to be in here. It works here. So I mean, that might be better for you.
Yeah.
Do you put Pay Range on it?
So it doesn't accept card. They have to just download the app and upload the money to it.
Yeah, they put money on the app, and it's kind of like the same thing as credit card, but instead of swiping on the machine, they're using the credit card on their phone, and they're using the app to actually buy something.
So it makes sense for like offices and stuff because
Right.
everyone will know. Okay.
Yeah, everybody that works can download it.
Yeah. Okay.
And like I said, there's no monthly fee. They only pay the percentage whenever anybody uses it. So it's not like, because I know I have credit card readers that sometimes I pay more in fees than I make on the reader. So that might benefit you.
Yeah. That was some game. So the employees coming in, or they doing interviews and stuff like that. So, y'all heard that. He dropped game on me. And as you see with the, he's able to just, know what he got to do. Take off the door, take off the dollar bill collector, coin maker, whatever. Bro, this guy is professional. Take off the door. So, I mean, it's worth it paying the professionals, man. Because if it was just me, I would have been stuck. Wouldn't know what to do. I was just like, oh man, trying to force it in there looking like a fool. So, now I look a little bit more professional and stuff. I have this guy with me. If anyone in Orlando wants this info, I'm going to drop it down. Give y'all his hookup. Because this man, he a G and he dropped game on me too. So I'll holler at y'all. I love it. Like, it's blocking it from going all the way in and stuff. So, and then we kind of cracking their tie a little bit. I'm gonna keep trying. Probably gonna take the door off and then try that route. But here it goes. Let me see what Steve says. So let me give y'all a little update. Jeez. I'm telling you, I called it. Go to the location before. Probably a combo machine would be better at this location. A lot smaller. So we'll see. You can do toolkit. So I might move these machines up again. I'm just gonna combo machine for this location. Later, we'll see. Clap it up. My man Steve pulled through again. Thanks to his expertise, he was able to pull the door off, pull off that big mechanism and the selector, and then we was able to push it through. He had the tools and everything. Unfortunately, their tile got cracked up a little bit, but hey. So guys, just make sure to learn from me and make sure you vet out the place before you try to move the machines in.
Here, put it together. Once we get the soda machine in, we can always move this around.
Okay.
It's easier to move this around than the soda machine. Once the soda machine's placed.
Yeah. Minimum damage. You're gonna see. You done jobs harder than this before?
What?
You done jobs harder than this before?
Yeah. This is kind of a little bit more difficult than normal. And usually this is pretty straightforward. So what you got to do is when you come to it, you got to see where your machine's going to have to then go and make sure the machine's going to fit. And,
Yeah.
This.
Okay.
Just you learn as your time goes on.
Yeah. Have you ever had to bring machines upstairs before?
Yeah, I don't do stairs.
How do people even go about that?
Yeah, because they have stair climbers. You can actually rent.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I had that once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I was to enter the car reader, where would I put it in?
What was that?
If I was to enter this car reader, where would I plug it in?
So what you do, they have different options. They have one that you change this out. And you can actually mount it to the face of this.
Yeah.
Or you have to have one you would actually mount it here. And it's a special harness that would go around here.
Yeah.
Plug it in.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yo, so we brought the drink machine over. Steve is using his tools to try to get it through, see how we're gonna approach this. He asked me to unlock the machine here and stuff, so you see the man got all the tools. Steve's really good over. Sheesh. Alright, keep y'all posted. Steve the man, bro. Steve's the man. So if y'all in Orlando or surrounding areas, you need Steve to move the machine for you, bro. He's the man. Toolkit and everything. Come on, man. So, as you see, can of soda popped. See the ants. So, it's a tip. Things pop, man. Cans, if you're using right now. This machine seems to be getting the best of us right now. I don't know, like it's too wide. We can't take off the door, so we're gonna try something else. Yeah. If this doesn't work, then we're just gonna.
If I just hold that door just closed a little bit.
Hold it close. Okay.
Yeah, so I am. Except because that table is there.
Yeah, it gives you no room to turn. Alright, and try again. Watch out. We just said forget it. We're just gonna place it here. Even though it makes an arrow, and then snacks over here. I'm gonna talk to her, see if the owner is cool with that. We're probably gonna stock it up and then call it a day. Let's start the towel. Just putting the door back. Does this
That doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
He's going to get an extension cord so they can
Okay. Plug it up to that one. Okay. Sure. This not loud. Let me try it. Both of them don't work?
Was it?
Both of them don't work?
Yeah, he plugged it in. It didn't do anything.
Alright, y'all, so Steve just does his final touches. Really appreciate Steve for, using his expertise and making this happen, because this would have been a lot harder if I was trying to do this by myself. Probably would have made a fool out of myself. As you see, Steve came well prepared, had all the tools, man. Look at it, man. Toolbox, harnesses, you name it, bro. The man even took off the door and put it back on. So if there's one thing you learned from this video, y'all, scout the location before you bring the machine and try to find location before you buy machines. If you find a machine out of steel, of course, buy it. But, plan ahead. Appreciate y'all for watching. Bless.